practice every day, 10 hours.
I did something.
Here's your rhythm. I'm going to get you started. Wait. One, two.
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man, run in the stand. Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes? The man said, no, we sell lemonade, but it's fresh and it's cold and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass? The duck said, I'll pass. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 bada, bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, run in the stand. Hey! Bum, bum, bum. Got any grapes? The man said, no, like I said yesterday, we sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try? The duck said, goodbye. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 bada, bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand. He said to the man, run in the stand. Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes? The man said, look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we've ever sold. Why not give it a go? The duck said, how about no? Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 bada, bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, run in the stand. Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes? The man said, that's it. If you don't stay away, duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you there all day stuck. So don't get too close. The duck said, adios. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 bada, bum. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, run and stand. Hey, bum, 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 got any glue? What? Got any glue? No, why would I? Oh, then one more question for you. Got any grapes? The man just stopped. He started to smile. He started to laugh. And he laughed for a while. Come on, duck, let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes so you won't have to ask anymore. So they walked to the store and the man bought some grapes. He gave one to the duck and the duck said, no thanks. But you know what would sound good? And would make my day. Do you think this store has any lemonade? Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, and he never came back. Bum, 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 bum.
Hey!
Who's right on you now? One, two, ready.
Zippo, look at the camera. Zippo, look at the camera. Zippo, look. He's camera shy.
Is that it? One, I'll kick it off. Let me play it through one time. We'll get our rhythm going.
Okay.
Ready, Harmon?
Yeah.
One, play it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
This is brought to you by North It might actually say on the, yeah, it says on the band. This is a vanilla something or other. Hey, work that thing, man, so I can record y'all. Next time I'll do it, I'll get it right for you. Don's still asleep. He said he's gonna get up at the crack of dawn. I ain't seen nothing move in that tent. I'm sorry.